Hi friends, ready for a handshake puzzle? 4 friends meet after a holiday and they all shake hands once with each other. How many handshakes are there altogether? You could pause the video now if you want to try to resolve it before listening to the explanation. Okay, let's count systematically. Let's name our friends A, B, C, and D. Friend A shakes hands with B, C, and D. That is 3 handshakes. Next, friend B has already shaken hands with A, so they only shake hands with C and D. That is 2 more. Now for friend C. They have already met A and B, so they only have 1 person left to shake hands with, friend D. That is 1 more handshake. Friend D is already finished. Now let's add them up. 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. The answer is 6, which is option A. The concept here is systematic counting. It helps us count everything once without double counting the same handshake. You made it! Great job, detective! Like and subscribe for more OC and selective test prep. See you next time!